Then you sit at the head, top of the head of the person. Then you will meditate as we do from you imagine the light coming down from universe, going down through your crown, third eye, throat and heart. And when it comes into the hands, you do activation. And then you begin. So first position going to be eyes, and this is where we don't touch. Because this is the most sensitive part of the person. So do not touch. 3 minutes. Then the next position is temple. Same like ourselves. No touch also. Then ears. And this is where you can gently touch. Then gently lift the head. One hand back of the head. One hand on forehead. So we do not touch on the forehead. Then both hand back of the head. Relax. Then neck. So these 6 points are same like ourselves. After neck, you go shoulder. 3 minutes. Then you move to the side of the person and you sit in a comfortable position where you can easily reach the person without hunching or feeling pain on your back. Then you place one hand onto the throat chakra and one hand onto the heart. So for girls, maybe don't place your hand on, but for men, you can place the hand. You can open your eyes to see. It's a T position like this. After that, it's ribs or stomach. Then abdomen and lower abdomen. 3 minutes on each. Side.
Side to time.
One is here. And then this is like almost like kidneys. So it's slightly more positions for doing for others. Then you can sit comfortably, and then thighs. Knees. Calf muscles. And feet. So feet we do from top, not from the bottom. Okay, then these are the position. Now, when you do this position, the person is going to be in a deep relaxation, which is neither awake nor sleep. They are in the middle. And that is sometimes called subconscious state. So they will be deep, but they're not sleeping. That means they remember everything you're doing at that time. When they wake up, maybe they will not remember at that time, but they will remember while you're doing the position. So you will need to do a caressing technique to gradually bring them back to awakened state. So once you finish with feet, then you sit onto your knee like this. So then you are nice tall to be able to reach head and leg from one position. Okay, then you bring your hand onto the head, top of the head like this, and then caress. And then you want to take the broken energy that we just took it out, and you want to throw it outside, not inside your room. Then replenish, refill the energy. And then to the left side, you take the energy, you want to throw it away, back to top. Then to the right side of the body, you can take it and throw, back to the top of the head. Left side, take and throw back, replenish. And then from the right side, you want to bring the hand onto the heart, and then you want to gently press. Then, thanks to Reiki and then you tell very gently, it's finished. And once they are awake, then you thanks to them, and then it's done. So few positions are extra than for ourselves, because like this position we can't do because of our shoulder, right? So that's why we just put the hand on ourselves, but for others we put like this. So it covers the throat chakra and heart chakra. For us, we can do easily like this, but for others, for girls, we can't do like this, right? I can't put my hand like this, so I have to put like this.